In this video, I show you how to set up Google TV. Watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important step. Get started with setup. Turn on your Google TV device. To turn on talk back during setup, on your remote, press and hold the back and down buttons at the same time for 3 seconds. If that does not work, check with your device manufacturer. Number 2. Choose a language and your reason. Number 3. Choose setup Google TV. In the finish setup with the Home app on your phone, then open Google Home. Number 2, at the top left, tap Add Plus. Setup device. Then set up new devices in your home. Number 3, choose or add a home. Number 4, tap Scan code and allow the app to use your phone's camera. Number 5, scan the QR code on your TV screen. It may be taken a few minutes for your phone and TV to connect. Number 6, follow the instruction in the Home app and on your TV screen. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.